Link up your finances, connecting your bank account to Betterment. Let's face it, managing money across different accounts can feel like juggling flaming chainsaws. You've got your checking for everyday expenses, your savings account for that dream vacation, and maybe even a retirement fund tucked away somewhere. But wouldn't it be nice to see all this information in one place, like a financial cockpit from where you can monitor your entire financial picture? That's where investment platforms like Betterment come in. They help you invest your money for the future, but a key advantage is the ability to connect your other financial accounts. This lets you see your whole financial ecosystem at a glance. No more logging into multiple apps or websites, just a unified view of your finances. But here's the question, how do you actually link your bank account to Betterment? Don't worry, it's a surprisingly simple process, and that's exactly what we'll cover in this video. By the end, you'll be a pro at connecting your accounts and taking control of your financial future. Method 1, Instant Connection. Alright, let's dive in. The first way to link your bank account is through Instant Connection. This is the faster and more convenient option for most users. Betterment uses a secure service called Plaid to connect with your bank electronically. Here's how it works. Log into your Betterment account. Head over to the Settings section, usually found on the left-hand side menu. Look for the option related to funding accounts or connected accounts. You'll likely see a button that says Connect Instantly. Click on that bad boy. Now, Betterment will provide a list of popular banks or a search bar for you to find yours. Select your bank from the list. Here comes the key part. You'll be prompted to enter your bank login credentials. Now, don't be worried. Betterment uses a secure connection, and they never store your login information. It's simply used to establish the connection with your bank. Your bank might require an additional security step, like a two-factor authentication code. Just follow their on-screen instructions, and you're golden. Security reassurance. I know what you might be thinking, is it safe to share my bank login with Betterment? Here's the deal, Betterment prioritizes security. They use industry-standard encryption to protect your information, and as mentioned before, they don't store your login credentials. They simply act as a bridge between you and your bank to securely retrieve your account information. Method 2, Manual Connection. Maybe your bank isn't on the instant connection list, or perhaps you're just not comfortable sharing your login details. No problem. There's a second method called manual connection. This process takes a bit longer, but it's still straightforward. Here's what you need to do. Follow steps 1 to 3 from the instant connection method, login, settings, funding/connected accounts. Instead of the Connect Instantly button, you'll see an option for Connect Manually instead. Click on that. Now, Betterment will ask you to enter your bank's routing number and your account number. You can usually find this information on a physical check or by logging into your online banking portal. Once you've entered the details, Betterment will send 2 tiny deposits, usually less than $1, to your bank account. These deposits might take a couple of business days to show up. Once they do, you'll need to log back into Betterment and enter the exact amounts of those 2 deposits. This verifies that you're the owner of the account. Benefits of linking accounts. So, why go through the trouble of linking your bank account to Betterment? Here are some key benefits. Unified view, see all your accounts in one place. No more scrambling between different apps and websites. Funding convenience, easily transfer money from your bank account to your Betterment investment account for seamless deposits. Goal tracking, monitor your overall financial progress. Betterment can help you visualize how your investments are contributing to your financial goals.